Ever pondered over the intricacies of operating a four-wheeled vehicle? Well, wonder no more. Today, we delve into the step-by-step process of driving a car. Imagine yourself sliding into the driver's seat. Feel the cool leather beneath your fingertips as you grasp the steering wheel. Begin by adjusting your seat, ensuring your feet comfortably reach the pedals. Your mirrors warrant adjustment too, for they are your eyes to the world behind and beside your vehicle. The rear view and side mirrors should provide clear visibility of your surroundings. Next, find the ignition, usually on the right side of the steering wheel. Insert your key and turn it clockwise to start the engine. A gentle rumble under your seat signifies the awakening of your vehicle. Now let's focus on the pedals. There are 3 in a manual car: the clutch on the far left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. If you're driving an automatic, you'll only need to worry about the last 2. A manual car requires you to engage the clutch before shifting gears. With your foot pressed down on the clutch, shift the gear stick into first gear. Slowly release the clutch while simultaneously pressing the accelerator. The car will begin to move. On an automatic, it's simpler. Just shift the gear lever to drive, lightly press the accelerator, and voila, you're moving. Steering is next. It's not just about turning left or right. It's about understanding how much to turn the wheel for a precise turn. And remember, always signal before you turn or change lanes. Stopping the car is as simple as pressing the brake pedal. If you're driving a manual, remember to press the clutch first, then the brake. Parking might seem complicated, but it's really not. For parallel parking, approach the spot slowly, signal, and then carefully maneuver your car into the spot. For perpendicular parking, signal, approach the spot, and turn your wheel sharply when your front bumper is aligned with the parking space. And there you have it, a brief overview of how to drive a car. We've covered adjusting your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility, starting the engine, understanding the pedals, shifting gears, steering, signaling, braking, and parking. Remember, driving is about more than just operating a car. It's about being aware of your surroundings, understanding the rules of the road, and always prioritizing safety. It's a skill that requires practice and patience. But don't worry. With time and experience, you'll be navigating the roads with ease. Happy driving!